Today in this video we will cover what is Chat GPT and history of Chat GPT. Chat GPT is an advanced AI model developed by OpenAI. The GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Chat GPT was created by OpenAI, an AI research company. The team behind OpenAI consisted of prominent individuals such as Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, Wojciech Zaremba, and John Schulman. It started as a non-profit company in 2015 but became for-profit in 2019. The company launched Chat GPT on November 30th, 2022. By January 2023, it had become the fastest-growing consumer software application in history. Their aim was to create advanced AI models capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Chat GPT enables users to refine and steer a conversation towards a desired length, format, style, level of detail, and language. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, code, and emails. Chat GPT is primarily used for natural language understanding and generation. Chat GPT can write and debug computer programs, compose music, teleplays, fairy tales, and student essays, generate business ideas, write poetry and song lyrics, translate and summarize text. Now you know the basics of Chat GPT in just 60 seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.